Hello crafty people and welcome to my channel. This is Ellen with EGI Designs, and today we have a product alert. We have the Simple Stories, and this is the Simple Vintage Junk Drawer Collection, and I love all of their junk things and vintage things and whatever, and I fell in love with all the butterflies and everything in here, so I thought we could do a walkthrough of the collection. I have quite a few of the pieces, but I still don't have all of them. There's a lot of available like the enamel dots, there's more ephemera pieces, things like that, so there's a lot available out there. I do tend to buy my packages of kits like this through a cherry on top. They always have great pre-order sales, and they have really good prices, so you can check them out. I will link everything that I'm showing today in the description box below and over on my blog at egidesigns.com. And if you are watching on a television, I will put a QR code up top that you can scan with your camera phone or your tablet, and it'll take you right over to all of the things I'm showing today. So I thought we could just do a walkthrough of the collection. There's a bunch of different ways to be able to purchase the items in here. You can purchase them singly. One of the best ways is to purchase the like a collector's essential kit. This has a ton of stuff in here already, so you don't have to kind of do it by onesie twosies. But and then I'll just show you quick. I have the Vintage Basics, and this is like a ledger on one side, and this is dotted on the other, so this is a very neutral, you can use for a background to add the pattern papers on top of that. Here's just an example of the blue dotted. I do have my overhead light turned off just so there isn't as much glare, so I apologize for it being a little bit darker, but I thought that would be easier to see. And then there's also this card kit, and in here you can make 8 cards, and it comes with a ton of different products to be able to replicate these. So this is really, if you just want to have something to be able to make a bunch of cards easily, this would be a great kit to get, and we can look through that as well. And then for the extras that I picked up, we have this beautiful stamp set, and has the butterfly. I have a thing for keys, so I had to get this. And the hello, there's little scripty everyday details, love today, some hearts, and some cancellation marks, so that's really awesome to go with that. And then this is the Ephemera Pack. A lot of like little cards, frames, things like that. Good for collaging. And then I love, this is the Rub-on collection. We can take that out. Oh, look at this. I love it, love it. And then these are the Decorative Brads. And there's chipboard pieces in here too. So these are like little raised, kind of like epoxy things. And we can take a look at that. But I just want to show you some of the extras that I had gotten. But we can look in this kit because there's a lot of good stuff in here. So if you just wanted to start with something easy, you could get the collector's essential kit or that card kit, and you would have plenty of supplies to make some awesome things. Like, you are not going to believe what comes in here. Alright, so first we have the page pieces. And this will help you if you're doing scrapbooking. It has some bigger elements, and then some butterflies, some ephemera, flowers, things like that. So it gives an example of a layout that you could do there. And this is the Floral Bits. You can take a peek. So these are all different florals and butterflies. I'll just pull a few out. So this makes it really easy to adding to a card front or a scrapbook page. And then, oh, and I can link over to how I usually store my ephemera like this. I store them on those sticky old photo sheets, so I can have them all laid out and see them all at once. So I can link over to that. You can check that out. But here, look at this sticker sheet. These are gorgeous. And all of these are separate, so you can use them as sentiments on your card or on your scrapbook layout. And the tickets, tabs. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Like, all right. I'm kind of speechless a little bit. And look at these cut aparts. So here you have cards fronts already made for you, right? You cut out one of these things, add a couple of the ephemeras, and you are good to go. Oh, there's a green one. Oh, and look at these cut aparts. These are so pretty. I love this one. And then we have some ledger kind of paper. Some more cut aparts. And this one has labels and things, and I'm sure you could actually use, let's see. So these stamps could fit on these little label things. So that's fun. And then this is just in the middle of the papers, but this also includes the chipboard stickers. So these are so gorgeous. And that key. Wow. And I love like vintage scissors. Ugh, so pretty. Stick them under there. And here's some tags. And these are really easy to cut out. And then you can just punch a hole in there and add a ribbon. You're good to go. Ooh, and the back too. Holy cow. Oh, love these. Oh, what a gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that background. That is so pretty. And these you could cut apart too, or just use them for the background. That's really cool. This is just kind of collaged words. I think it's in French. So that's a good background paper. Ooh, and then look at these. That's awesome. Yeah, and you can make a lot of great masculine cards with this too. I think this brown one. Oh, look at these. These are so pretty. You could cut these apart and collage them up. Oh, this one's great. And you could cut here and make a card out of it, or use this for a scrapbook. Ooh, pretty. Oh, look at these. This is so fun. The old library cards. Like, do you remember that? Like, I'm dating myself, but back in my day, when you took out a library book and you had to write your name on there. That's so funny. Ah, look at these. Love. Oh, this one's a perfect page for a scrapbook. Look at that. And you can always cut right here. You'd have a beautiful card front. Same thing here. All these little drawers. That's so fun. Look at the typewriter. Ooh, look at this. Quite the vintage page there. The florals. Ah, look at all these. The keys and the clocks. And scissors. All the things I love. Ooh, look at this. That's gorgeous. Alright, I love this paper, if you can't tell. Alright, so there is the pattern paper with that. There was the stickers. And then these are the chipboard stickers. And then this. And I think this. Which one was it? This. So, like I said, look at these. Like, these are actually raised with like metal around the edges, and then these are the chipboard. So pretty. And then let's look at these. I love rub-ons. It's such an easy way to add just a little bit of detail and fun to your project. Wow, look at these. These are so detailed and amazing. Love, love, love these. Alright, and then the stamps again. Very much matching with everything. Same types of butterflies and keys and all of that. Alright, so, and again, you have the more of a solids pack that matches perfectly with all of these papers. So you can coordinate everything together. And blue would match with that blue. And then here is another really great option with the card kits. And this is the first time I've ever gotten one of these card kit things. Woo! Well, that's fun. They tell you in here exactly how to make these, so that's perfect. You know, if you're kind of having a brain fart and you're like, I have no creativity right now, just get one of these kits and just follow along. They even give you the card bases. So you get the chipboard. Oh, these are like laser cut punch outs. So you just punch them out of the paper. I'll show you on the back. You can see they're perforated. So we have 2 sheets of that. 3 sheets of that. 4 sheets of that. So it looks like all of these are the pieces that you would punch out for your backgrounds. And then you would punch all this stuff out to collage on the top. And then you can add in these chipboard pieces onto the front. Again, you have the card bases. And you get all the instructions. So that is very fabulous. I can't wait to create with that. Okay, so here is all of our stuff for the Simple Vintage Junk Drawer collection. And again, you wouldn't believe it, but there are still more things available in this collection. So I will link what I showed today. I can also link all the other pieces just so you can see what they are. And if you enjoyed the video today, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing to my channel, as it helps me get out my content to other crafters just like you. At the end, I will link over to my card making playlist. So if you want to see some inspiration and some past cards I've made with other Simple Stories collections, you will find them there. And I can also link over to my unboxing playlist. So if you like these kind of videos, you can check those out over there and see all of my past ones that I have done. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.